Samsung was tired of its Exynos chips getting treated like a 98-pound weakling on the bench, getting kicked around by Qualcomm, MediaTek, Unisoc, and an Apple processor. So Samsung went into Coupon, found itself on the back of a comic strip, and worked out every day to become stronger and stronger. Now the upcoming Exynos 2400 is looking as one of the he-men of the chip industry with a Deca-Core configuration. The latest update comes from tipster RG Clouders, who said the final configuration packing about the chip is still much in the air as Samsung is weighing their options. This chip might come back in the S24 series for the Asian market. The tipster noted that Exynos 2400 will support 10 CPU cores. All 10 will not run at the same time. The number of cores will be utilized for optimum task. The original rumor called Exynos 2400 to be produced on the fan-out wafer-level packing method. This packing technology makes the chip thinner and energy efficient, but they said it'll be downgraded now to the IQ process. Early leaked testing of this chip showed that it's scoring the same power of the Apple M2 chip, which is a major accomplishment. Exynos chips don't have the best reputation. They always were power hungry and they used to run hotter than other chips. So matching Apple's A2 at this stage of their development is very good. So Apple is working on the M3, but Qualcomm MediaTek has not matched up to M2 performance. So maybe you'll get a good Exynos chip finally after the first time since maybe the X6 days.